In this video, we are going to learn how you can add new OneDrive files to Docparser. So the idea here is that whenever you upload a new file or a new document in your OneDrive application, automatically the same file should be uploaded as a new document to your Docparser. For that, you need to integrate your OneDrive with Docparser. So here your trigger application would be OneDrive and your action application would be Docparser. So how you can integrate both these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that you need to come to my screen. To integrate OneDrive with Docparser, first we need to log into pabbly.com. This is the website of Pabbly. Now here we can find two options, sign in, sign up free. If you are a new user, you have to just click on sign up free button and you can create a new account in just 2 minutes. And you're going to get free task every month. If you're already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply sign in. From the All Apps section, access Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign, create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Add New OneDrive Files to Docparser. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want to add our new OneDrive files to Docparser. So first we need to integrate OneDrive with Pabbly Connect. So open this trigger window and here choose the application name as OneDrive. Select the trigger event as new file. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Microsoft OneDrive. Now here it is asking for the access. So let's click on Yes to give away the permissions over here. Authorization successful, and now Microsoft OneDrive account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Microsoft OneDrive account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged into your OneDrive account. Now here it is asking for the folder path. So the instructions are also mentioned. You can follow these instructions or else I'll just directly take you to my OneDrive account where I have already created a folder named Docparser. So I'm just going to copy this Docparser name from here and I'll be giving the same over here as my folder path. Okay, Docparser. Okay, this was the same name. So I've given my folder name over here. Here we have to select the event type as new file created. And now before clicking on save and send test request, first we are going to upload a new file in our specific folder in our OneDrive account. So this is my folder Docparser and here we are going to upload a new file. So I'm just going to upload this salary slip of demo name. And here we can see the item is getting uploaded over here. Okay, and here we can see that salary slip of demo name is uploaded over here. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and now we are going to click on save and send test request. So the recently updated file details will be captured over here. Okay, and here we can find all the details. We can find the created date and time. And here we have got the file name, that is salary slip demo name. Here we have got the size also. Here we have got a web URL. And when we scroll down, we can find some other details also. Okay. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in capturing the response as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay, and here also it is mentioned that this particular trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. Okay. So now we want this file to be added to our Docparser account. For that we have to integrate Docparser with Pabbly Connect. So come to this action window and here choose the application name as Docparser. Select the action event as upload a document from a URL. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. And now here it is asking for the secret API key and the password. And here the instruction is also mentioned. Enter the secret API key and leave the password field as blank. So we just have to give the secret API key over here. Okay. Log into Docparser, navigates to My Account API from the top right section to get the secret API key. So I'm just going to click on this hyperlink. And here we can find the secret API key. So let's copy it and I'll be pasting the same over here. And now let's click on Save to create a connection. And now we can see that the Docparser account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now as we have created a connection, here we can find all the parsers that I have created in my account. That is my contract form parser, my invoice parser, and OneDrive documents. I'll just show you the same also here also. Okay. My contract form parser, my invoice parser, and OneDrive documents. So now I want all my OneDrive documents to be saved in this particular parser. So I'll be selecting the same over here. Okay. And now here we have to give the document URL. So we have already got the document URL over here from the trigger response. So now we are going to map this URL. For mapping, simply scroll down, click it over here, come to the trigger response, and from the drop down, just map the URL. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means our document is added to your Docparser. Let's check it. We have to just refresh our account. Let's move to the documents. And here we can find that data parsing queue. We can find a file over here in the data parsing queue. Okay, and within some seconds, it will be in the processed section. Okay, and here we can see processed as 1. And here we can find that our salary slip demo name file is processed over here. Okay, and here we can find the details. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now as we have set up an automation, this is a one-time process. Next time, whenever you're going to upload a new file in your specific folder in your OneDrive account, automatically the same file will be added to your Docparser account also. So now we are going to check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, let's move to the OneDrive account. And here I'm just going to upload a new file. And this time let us upload the salary slip of dummy name. The file is getting uploaded over here. Okay, and here we can find the file as uploaded. Now let's check our Docparser account. We have to just refresh it. And even after refreshing, we can't find the file over here just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So here we have to wait for some time. So within some moments, we can find data parsing queue. Here we can find a new file, salary slip of dummy name.pdf. And within some time, this particular file will be in the processed section. Okay, and here we can see processed as 2. So here we can see that our file is processed salary slip dummy name.pdf. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Microsoft OneDrive and Pabbly Connect so that whenever you upload a new file in your Microsoft OneDrive account into a specific folder, then automatically the file details are captured in Pabbly Connect. And then we have uploaded the same document or the same file into our Docparser account using a URL. And in this way, we have learned that how we can add new OneDrive files to Docparser using Pabbly Connect. Thank you.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.